Hello everyone, this is your voice Proprietor, your number one CSC agent that deals on all your legal registration. In this video, we are going to take you through on how to remove a partner proprietorship in a business name. So, from the information that we get from our clients, this business was registered for him right from 2015, but the person that registered the name hiding, not letting him know that he has mistakenly had another person on the business name, CAC registration. So now, since the man has realized the mistake, so we are doing filing of annual returns to the man and retrieval of application status. So now the man wants to do removal of the second proprietor. So just watch carefully on what we are going to do. Thanks. First of all, you come to your CAC business incorporated portal, type in the business name like you see on our screen. Then if you come to removal, exit, proprietor and partner, check here, this is the real owner of the business. This person was just added unknowingly. So we are going to remove the person now. After I might appear the person, you click remove. John issue, removal, you save. Then ask leave as proprietor. We are not going to leave. So you click on today's date. This is the request for the removal. And then partner and proprietor, we add the person name. And then we go ahead clicking remove. Oh, they need also upload a name. We need also upload name. So that means we are going to check some details from the proprietor. Click as proprietor. We are going to check the details of the proprietor. By going back, after going back, we go to correction of data and information. Just to go and check the person information. This is the second proprietor details. There is no phone number, there is nothing there. There is no phone number, nothing. So, as you can see on the screen, this is the first proprietor, this is the second proprietor with this. There is no phone number. Everything is invalid. Everything is invalid. So what we are going to do is to go back to the platform, click on change of proprietor, remove this proprietor. And then you will upload any name here. You just upload any name here. Just follow step by step and watch what you are doing. Carefully. We are going to save this. We are going to save this. We are going to save this. We will save this and upload. Now go back to the platform, click upload anything. Go to now. You are looking for picture format. It comes to your side and click I love my PDF. Wait for it to load so that you can convert it to picture format. You come to convert PDF, come to PDF to JPEG and click. Then select file and click. Download file. You can see this is the file now. The file is download in a PDF, in a zip folder. Go over here. Go over here to open the file. And look, these are the file now. You copy. You copy it now. The file is corrupt. There is no view. So we are going to copy it or print file. The file is corrupt. So we prefer also use a company certificate. Use the company certificate. This was the copy that the customer sent to us. So we are going to save this now. We have saved it. We have to go and convert it back. We go to I love my PDF and convert it to JPEG. Download the file. Wait for it to load. Here the file now. It's still showing on video. Wow. This is crazy. So we'll just find any name and upload in this place now. We'll just find any application and upload here. And we are going to continue here from the next video.